Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Free Fire gameplay touch issues test in the MI11X device. As you can see, friends, so here is a MI11X device, and recently a lot of viewers are they're complaining regarding the touch issues while playing PUBG game and touch issues while playing other games as well. And he's a one user who did ask me to make a video on this particular topic regarding this Free Fire game in terms of the touch issues. As you can see, friends, this is a comment which he did mention. So scoping with any gun and wait a second, then drag slowly. So this is when the drag touch issues happen in the Free Fire gameplay. So let's see, friends, whether that is true or not. Let's see in my unit is there any problem or not, and in that case try to check even in your smartphone whether is there any touch issues or not happening in this phone. There are a couple of other issues are happening with this particular model. So which is first is the green tint issue, and now the touch issues which are happening in this MI11X device. And I'm not sure why it's kept on happening with the display problems particularly. So the only reason could be the new Samsung's E4 type panel, which is used for the first time in this phone. So let's see, maybe that might be a reason why it's happening, and maybe the displays are not calibrated properly before sending the units. So these are the settings which I'm trying to use right now in this video, friends, as you can see here. So let's see whether the Free Fire game will be able to play properly or not. If will there be any kind of lag issues or not during this time of gaming. So let's selected the maximum settings as well during this time of gaming, and as you can see the brightness as well slightly higher. So you can see on the top the real-time FPS statistics data which is present on the top. This is on the top real-time FPS. So right now I was able to get 60 FPS, as you can see, friends, and this is a Game Turbo FPS meter which is present on the top as well. You can see the real-time FPS on the top, 61 FPS. So let's see, friends, whether I will be able to experience any kind of lag while playing this kind of game or not. So most of the time I used to play Call of Duty game nowadays, not the Free Fire game and the PUBG, so Call of Duty. So I didn't have any kind of experience with the any kind of problems with the Call of Duty gameplay. So let's see whether we'll be able to face any kind of issues. So in the PUBG, there was a problem with the 4-finger gesture when you're trying to use 4 fingers on the screen. That is when the problem happens. So not only one user, there are a couple of users who already raised a complaint regarding the touch issue problem in this phone. So regarding plenty of other games, PUBG game and even the Free Fire game as well. So that's why I thought of doing the both games testing in this phone in terms of the performance wise. So what is happening actually in this phone. And the green tint issue can also be fixed with an update as well. So that problem also got solved, but touch issues, I'm not sure how they're going to fix this kind of issues in the touch. So let's see, friends, whether I'll be able to face that kind of problem or not when I'm trying to use the gun and using the scope. And in case if you're facing any kind of problem similarly like this, so make sure to comment below definitely. I'll do my, from my side, I'll try to test the other games as well in terms of testing in this phone. So right now only few users requested the PUBG and the Free Fire game, so that's why I thought of doing this kind of only PUBG and the Free Fire game at the moment. So there's some kind of lag is going on, friends, when you're using the scope and trying to move slowly. So let me try to move slowly. I'm trying to move slowly, friends, as you can see here. It's not reacting faster. There's nothing to even to my fingers as well in terms of the oil and everything. So there's nothing wrong, but still I was unable to move properly, as you can see, little bit. It's not moving when you're trying to move faster, it's moving very much smooth, but if you want to move little bit, it's not moving slowly, as you can see. When you try to move slowly the scope only then the problem is happening. So exactly this is what the user one of my subscriber, he asked me to test the scope in with any gun and wait a second, then drag slowly. So this was a request which was asked by, as you can see, I was using the scope right now and I waited for a second as well, and let me try to move right now. As you can see, it's not that smooth in terms of the using the scope as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more this kind of updates. Definitely, in this kind of scenarios, I do need this kind of very much accurate in terms of the scope as well. When you're trying to move, when you're trying to shoot in long distance and with slight adjustment in the scope, you do need a very fast response. But the response is not that fast in this mobile. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to compare with other smartphones as well, which I'm having right now. So I'll try to do the same kind of scenario testing as well with others phones. So then we'll be able to know whether only this phone is making or any other smartphones are also making this kind of problem with this kind of latest update in the Free Fire game. So we'll get to know the results as well. But I did not see this kind of problem before happening, as far as I remember. So not in any other time, but I think only the time when you're having this kind of particularly when you're trying to scope, when you're trying to use the scope, and when you're trying to drag, only then you will be facing this kind of problems, I think so. So not in any other time. So this even is a quick review on this phone, on this MI11X device, playing the FIFA gameplay and testing the problem of the lag issues which is happening, touch lag issues. So I'm not sure whether this related to the touch or maybe this related to the update of the game. So when you're trying to use the scope, as you can see, little bit some kind of lag, this kind of lag I'm trying to experience. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you're playing the FIFA game and if you're having this kind of similar kind of issues, and definitely do let me in the comments below. I just want to know how many of you users are facing this kind of touch issues in their mobile phone in terms of the FIFA gameplay as well. And in case if you're playing any other game as well, so make sure to comment below. I'll definitely try that kind of game in my phone in terms of the testing the performance. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.